Okay, so I'm going to be doing a review of our Go Math resource we use for our curriculum. And I decided to do this because the way that we taught math this year, we really tried to group our kids on ability. And so Go Math is provided online to teachers. We also have hardbacks. But you get there and you can go to your grade and then your what you're looking for. So then it pops up like this. I picked chapter 10 because that's some of the data that I have to show you, and I feel like the whole picture. And you can click on the lesson one. And so to really start off is this resource, it provides Common Core standards, objectives, and every single lesson is gives you all of this. Okay, so it gives you the about the math, which works for using for morning work or explaining to kids. And then there's also digital components that come with it for the kids to access through their iPads or their Chromebooks. Okay, and then it provides daily routine. But then it starts here with high level instructional strategies and the engagement part, the essential questions, the making connections. And so when you get into the book work, the first part of every lesson is the essential question, and we had our kids read those, and then we started unlocking the problem. And it's really, it doesn't come out and tell you how you're going to use that essential question, but it is going to give you items and models where you can represent that knowledge. So the way we used it is we grouped our kids into 4 different abilities, great, based on their pre-test data. And so trying to find chapter 10 test data. So every kid took a pre-test and then they were given a color based on where they fell. And this is kind of their rotations and how we see 90 kids with 3 teachers every single day. So down here we would then group them and list their names, the date, what skill it was, and then each kid gets a score. And then we tried some personalized learning, so that's what you see down here. But going back, we would have the kids unlock the problem for morning work, and then each lesson is also provided with an enrich and reteach. But really what we looked at is the different examples on how to do it. It gives you advice for advanced learners. And then the share and show we used as a formative assessment on if they were getting it or not. And we would either use that at our table time for reteach if they weren't getting those. And they pick them out for you for each lesson. And then the on your own, and then the elaborate and the lesson check. There's practice and homework. That's great for sending home. The lesson check is what we used for our grade book. Is they were higher level, and then if they got 2 out of 2, it really showed us that they knew the skill. And then the spiral review, there's 4 of these each lesson, so it's constantly going over previously taught concepts. And it does connect with Common Core, but there was nice STEM activities, math and science that go along with it. So overall, I think Go Math has been a great resource for us. It's been 3 years now. And we're just seeing our kids really go deeper with their understanding of math and how it works. I think it's great for incoming teachers too, because it really sets it up nicely for the teachers to exactly know what they're trying to hit today. And it provides a lot of hands-on practice. So I think overall, Go Math is a great resource that provides, there's more than ample resource for everybody. So we enjoy it.